Hello, everyone. Today, you will learn 50 of the most common English words through an easy story. Don't worry if your English is not perfect. Just listen, relax, and enjoy the story. Try to repeat the words after you hear them. By the end of this lesson, you will understand and remember many important English words that native speakers use every day. Let's begin. The story. This is a story about a young man named Tom. Tom lives in a small town. He has a simple life, but every day he learns something new. One morning, Tom woke up very early. He looked at the clock and said, "Today is a good day." He got out of bed and opened the window. The sun was bright and the sky was blue. Tom saw a bird in a tree near his house. The bird was singing, and it made him smile. He said, "I want to have a happy day." After a few minutes, Tom went to the kitchen. He made a cup of tea and ate some bread. While he was eating, he thought about his plans. He wanted to go to the city and meet a friend. His friend Anna worked in a bookstore. Tom liked books very much. He often read stories about people, places, and adventures. When he finished breakfast, he got ready. He put on his shoes, took his bag, and left the house. Outside, the weather was beautiful. There were many people on the street. Some were going to work, some were walking their dogs, others were talking with friends. Tom walked to the bus station. When the bus arrived, he got on and found a seat. A man sitting next to him smiled and said, "Good morning." Tom replied, "Good morning, how are you?" The man answered, "I am fine, thank you." They talked for a few minutes. The man told Tom about his family. He had a wife and 2 children. He loved spending time with them. Tom listened carefully. He thought the man seemed kind and friendly. Soon, the bus reached the city. Tom got off and walked toward the bookstore. The city was busy. Cars moved along the roads. People hurried from one place to another. There were shops, restaurants, and tall buildings everywhere. Tom finally arrived at the bookstore. Anna was standing near the door. She smiled and waved. "Hello, Tom," she said. "Hello, Anna," Tom replied. "It is nice to see you." Anna invited Tom inside. The bookstore was quiet and comfortable. Thousands of books filled the shelves. Tom looked around with excitement. There were books about history, science, travel, and art. Anna showed him a new book. "This is my favorite book this month," she said. Tom opened it and read a few pages. The story was interesting. "I think I will buy it," he said. After that, they decided to have lunch together. They went to a small restaurant near the bookstore. Tom ordered rice and chicken. Anna ordered pasta. While they ate, they talked about many things. They discussed work, family, dreams, and future plans. Anna said, "I want to travel around the world one day." Tom smiled. "That sounds wonderful." Then he asked, "Which country do you want to visit first?" Anna thought for a moment. "I want to visit Japan," she answered. "I love the culture and food." Tom nodded. "I would like to go there too." After lunch, they walked through a nearby park. Children were playing games. Some people were reading books on benches. Others were exercising. The park felt peaceful. As they walked, they saw a little boy crying. He seemed lost. Tom and Anna went over to help him. "What happened?" Anna asked gently. The boy said, "I can't find my mother." Tom looked around. There were many people in the park. He knew the boy must be worried. "Don't worry," Tom said. "We will help you." They stayed with the boy and asked a few questions. Soon, they saw a woman running toward them. She looked relieved when she saw her son. The woman thanked Tom and Anna. "Thank you so much," she said. "You helped us a lot." The boy smiled again. Tom felt happy. Helping someone made his day even better. As the afternoon ended, Tom and Anna sat near a lake. The water was calm. Birds flew across the sky. Everything felt peaceful. Tom thought about the day. He had met friendly people. He had learned something new. He had spent time with a good friend, and he had helped someone in need. He realized that happiness does not always come from big things. Sometimes it comes from small moments. A smile, a conversation, a good book, or helping another person. As evening arrived, Tom said goodbye to Anna. "Thank you for today," he said. Anna smiled. "It was great to see you." Tom walked back to the bus station. During the ride home, he looked out the window. The sun was setting. The sky was painted with beautiful colors. He felt grateful for the day. When he arrived home, he made dinner and relaxed. Before going to bed, he opened his new book and read for a while. Then he closed the book and smiled. "Today was a very good day," he said. A few minutes later, he turned off the light and fell asleep. And that is the end of Tom's story. Vocabulary review. Let's quickly review some common words from today's story. I, you, he, she. We, they, go, come, see, look, good day. Time, friend, family, house. Workbook, people, man, woman, child. Help, want, like, love, think, know, say, talk, walk, eat, drink, buy, read, find, give, take. News, small, big, happy, beautiful. Morning, afternoon, evening, today, tomorrow. Home, world, great job. You have just listened to a story containing 50 of the most common English words. Listen again tomorrow and try to use these words in your own sentences. The more you listen and practice, the faster your English will improve. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for daily English practice. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a lesson. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day ahead.